Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to my channel Easy Maths. In this video I will be solving NCERT textbook exercise 11.4 question number 7 to 11. So let's start. Question number 7. Through a rectangular field of length 90 meter and breadth 60 meter, two roads are constructed which are parallel to the sides and cut each other at right angles through the center of the fields. If the width of each road is 3 meter, find first the area covered by the roads, and the second part of the question, the cost of constructing the roads at the rate of rupees 110 per meter square. So first I draw the figure, and you can see two crossroads are shown, and length of the field is given as 90 meter, breadth of the field is given as 60 meter. So area of the field is length into breadth, and I get 90 multiply 60. This is 5400 meters square. Length of the road PQRS. So this is the horizontal road PQRS, and it is having the length of 90 meter, and the width of this road is 3 meter. Length of the road ABCD, the vertical road, it is 60 meter and width is same 3 meter. So I have to find the area of the roads, that is area of PQRS, the horizontal road, area of ABCD, the vertical road, and I'll be subtracting the area of this overlapped square. It is counted in both the roads, in the vertical road and in the horizontal road. So I'll be subtracting one area from this total area of the roads. So 90 multiply 3 gives 270, 60 multiply 3 it gives 180, and subtracting a square area 9 meter square, I get the result as 441 meter square. Now second part, cost for constructing 1 meter square road is given as rupees 110. So for constructing 441 meter square road, it will be just be multiplied and we get 48,510. Next question, question number 8. Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 centimeter. So you can see a circular pipe is given and it is having the radius 4 centimeter. So tell me, if I have to wrap, so it is showing the circumference of the circle or the area of the circle? Definitely it is the circumference of the circle. So I will be finding the circumference of the circular pipe. It is 2 pi r. Putting the values, I get 25.12 centimeter. So I got the length of the cord as 25.12 centimeter square. Now with the same cord, she wrapped it around a square box, and the square box has the side 4 centimeter. So perimeter of that square box will be 16 centimeter square. Definitely the cord, length of the cord is greater than the perimeter of the square. So Pragya has cord left with her. How much cord is left with Pragya? So just subtract and get 9.12 centimeter. Question number 9. The adjoining figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in middle. Find first part, the area of the whole land. You can see the whole land is in the shape of a rectangle, and we can find the area by length into breadth. So I get the area as 10 multiply 5, 50 meter square. Second part of the question, find the area of the flower bed. Flower bed is in the form of a circle. So area of the circular flower bed is pi r square. Putting the values, I get 12.56 meter square. Third part of the question, the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. Subtract the area of the whole land minus flower bed. So I get 37.44 meter square. And the fourth part, the circumference of the flower bed. Circumference we can get by the formula 2 pi r, and putting the value, you can get 12.56 meter. Next question, question number 10. In the adjoining figures, find the area of the shaded portion. If you see the figure, we have outer boundary as a rectangle which is having a length of 18 centimeter and the breadth as 10 centimeter. So first we will do the area of triangle ABCD, and then we will subtract the area of triangle BCE. If you see the figure, I just subtract this lined areas from the total area to get the shaded portion. So BCE is in the form of a triangle, right angle triangle, and area of AFE, again it is in the form of a right angle triangle. So subtracting it from the both the triangles from the total area, we will get the area of the quadrilateral EFDC, and it is 110 centimeter square. Second question. Here we are having a square. Outer boundary is in the form of a square with a side 20 centimeter, and we have three triangles surrounding the shaded portion. So subtracting the three triangles, area of three triangles from the square, we get the area of shaded portion. So area of PQRS, which is a square, minus area of TSQ, this area, and then area of RUQ, that is this triangle. So we will just find the area of these triangles, and again area of triangle PQT. So PQT is this triangle. So we just subtract these triangles from the outer square and we get the area of the shaded portion. And we know that area of triangle is half base into height. Here all are right angle triangle. So we just multiply and get the result as 110 centimeter square. Question number 10 is over. Question number 11. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Here in the figure, if you see, we have AC is equal to 22 centimeter, BM is 3 centimeter, and DN is 3 centimeter. So BM and DN are 3 centimeters. Also given, BM is perpendicular to AC, DN is perpendicular to AC. So how to find it? First, we will find the area of the upper triangle ABC, and we know area of the triangle is half base into height. Base is 22 centimeter, height is 3 centimeter, so we can find the area of the upper triangle. Then we will find the area of the lower triangle ACD, and same way half into base into height. Base is 22, height is 3, and we add both the areas to get the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So it was so simple. Just found the area of both the triangles and add them to get 66 centimeters square. Thank you all. Like, share and subscribe.